So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and out of your video, just like the ones you are seeing right here. Alright, and you are going to be doing this just with your smartphone. Just with your smartphone, you are going to achieve all of this and more. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your app. We are going to be using CapCut. So I will simply go to my CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download. I will open my CapCut. So when it brings me here, I'll go to new project, import the video that I want to use for this. I'll simply import. So in the next few minutes, the video. I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and I will add. After importing the video. So in the next few. After importing the video, look at the video. So we want to do our zooming in and zooming out. All right. So what we are going to be using for this is keyframe. We are going to be using keyframe. If you tap on it, you can see at the top that after the place where you have play, so all right, just close to that place, that shape that has plus sign, that is keyframe. All right, let's say I want to add keyframe. Let me move it. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to. So when I come here, any place you want to add keyframe, you just click this this shape that has plus sign or minus sign. Once you click on it, you move a little bit, just close to it, you click on it again. But this time around, once you click on it the second time, when that shape appears on your timeline, what you are going to do is to put your two fingers on your screen and drag it forward. Drag it forward. That's it. That's all you need to do. All right, let's play it again. Be showing you how to zoom in and out of your. All right, it's zoomed in now. So if you want to still zoom out, you simply do another one, add your keyframe. This time around, you zoom out. All right, you zoom out. All right, let's play it. So that you see that how to zoom in and out of your video. You can see that just like the ones you just zoom in and out. I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and out of your video, just like the ones you are seeing right here. All right, you move forward. Let me see. There was a place just with your smartphone. All right, this place that I said smartphone, I simply click on this. It has appeared. Okay, let me move it. I'll click on it, then I'll move forward again. Click on it again. I will zoom it. Just put your two hands at the middle and drag it forward. You can see that. Yeah, that's all. Smartphone. Just with your smartphone, you are going to. Then I want to add it again. I'll click on it, drag it backward. All right, and that's it. Yours right here. All right, and you are going to be doing this just with your smartphone. Just with your smartphone, you are going to achieve. You see that? This and more. Let's get started. So this is simply how to. You can click on it, this, and remove this watermark. This is simply how to add zooming effect to your videos. All right, I believe everything I said now is so in the next well minutes, understood. I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and out. Do you see that? Video, just like the ones you are seeing right here. All right, and you are going to be doing this just with your smartphone. You can see that. Just with your smartphone, you are going to achieve all of this and more. Let's get started. Okay, so that is it for this video. I believe you have learned how to zoom out and how to zoom in your video. All right, I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel because more of these videos will be coming your way. All right, if you want to see this kind of video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.